Hi students, this is Ms. Santiago and today I'm going to talk to you about the New York Times. The New York Times is an online newspaper subscription that will keep you engaged with the ever-changing world. You can read what's happening around you and around the world with current events organized by sections. When you search the New York Times, you acquire basic research and reasoning skills. Teachers can assign articles for discussion or to build arguments or debates. And now I'm going to show you how to access. You have to access through Department and Services. Go to Media Center. And in Media Center, go to News and Magazines. Once in News and Magazines, scroll down to the New York Times. Request access or create account here. Let's click. You will receive an academic pass. Once you receive the academic pass welcoming you to the New York Times, you're going to claim your pass by creating an account. Click Create an Account. Once you have entered your school email, you need to confirm that account. You have to go to your Gmail account. Once in your Gmail account, look for the NewYorkTimes.com email confirming your email. Click on it. You will receive a link for you to click to activate your account. You will be here to submit your details to redeem your pass. In this case, you're going to click Student, your graduation date, and alternative email. Once you complete that, sign up. And now your pass is active. Now you can go to the New York Times. Here you have access to the New York Times, articles, blogs, videos, slideshows, and other multimedia. On the top right corner, we have Account. Under the account, we have today's weather. We also have the stock market summary. Above the New York Times, we have languages you can translate. You can do Spanish or Chinese. Under the New York Times, we have all the categories available for us. On the top left corner, we have the menu right here. And in this menu, we'll find all the categories. And within the categories, we find sections. Here is a search icon. To search, click there. And let's say I want to search articles about climate change. Click Go. And here I will find all the results under this specific search, climate change. I have 63,152 results, but I can narrow my results. I can do a search by date range, past week, past month, or specific days where I can say from 11, I can change 2020, let's say 2010 to today's date. And then it will give me the results from 2010 to 2020. Search by relevance, you can go from the oldest to the newest. Then you can also do a search by section, whether it's in business, whether it's in opinion, whether it's on the science, or just US, or just around the world. Then you can specify the type. You can do just articles, you can do just audio, you can do images, interactive graphics, or simply videos. On the menu, I can be specific. For example, if I'm in the world, I can go to Africa, Australia, Americas, Asian Pacific. In US, I have education, the upshot, politics, business, opinion, technology, science, health, sports. I can even narrow down my results by searching these sections under all these categories here. And so on. Now let's take a look at this right here. Right here, we're going to see the headlines. The headlines are titles appearing at the top of the story. This is the headline. And let me go to opinion to show you what is byline. Let me click right here. Now, byline refers to the person who wrote the article. By Elizabeth Bruin. This is byline. Now let's go back to the menu. Don't forget to check out the More section on the menu. Here we have, for example, Wirecutter that include product reviews and recommendations in different categories. We have multimedia here, which includes slideshows in different categories. We have time journeys to find destinations from around the world by choosing the country. We have time machines when you can go back in time to find published news from 102 years ago. You have tools and services where you find the app to read on the go. And now that you have an idea of what is contained in the New York Times, I hope you enjoy our subscription.